Just a quick review before we, well, first, welcome to the channel. And just a quick review before you see the outdoor flight of this. If you remember, I did an unboxing of this. So, like I said, I did an outdoor flight of this. It flies very well. Hovers great. It ain't something that you want to go banking around and all that. Does decent video. But I'm going to warn you right now that it only has a 4-minute flight time, which I was very shocked. I have another battery that fits in this that flies 12 minutes and something else, but in this it flew only 4 minutes again. And I tried this several times to make sure that it wasn't a bad battery, but that's what this drone will do. But we'll get on to the outdoor flight and you can make your own decision. Hello all. I'm out here with the k-egale. I've already bound it, father calibrated it. I'm not going to do any kind of video with it, but we are going to watch it fly. So let's get it up in the air. So far so good. Pretty good. Hover's nice. There's a slight breeze out today. You can see she keeps traveling. Seems to trim pretty good. She hovers real nice, it seems. Let's see off. Oh, the wind's taking it. Nothing against the wind. Alright, I'm back. That was just a little breeze that took that baby. Let's bring it up again. See if she can do a little better with a little more speed. This is speed 3. Yeah, speed 1. That wind just took her away. But she's fine in speed 3. Not a bad little flyer. Hover's real nice. Look at that. That's steady. I'll bring her in so you can see her. She does well. Okay, this is some wind now. Well, it's like, you know, a gust comes in. Just a gust. You feel it on my hair. But it didn't move. Not that great of a flyer, but good video of that. A little floaty. Because the yard's so slow, you see how it backs up on itself. But yeah, not a bad little drone. But this on Amazon. It's $50. That's horrible, y'all, but You can ride.